First day in Dubai, a golden welcome. Dear viewer, in this video, I will show you how I spent my first day in Dubai. I hope that you will learn English easily through this professional example. As soon as I stepped out of the airport, the warmth hit me, not just from the sun, but from the city itself. Dubai felt alive, like it was buzzing with energy, stories, and ambition. The skyline shimmered in the distance, skyscrapers reaching for the clouds like they were in competition with each other. And there I was, in the middle of it all, completely wide-eyed. My first stop? Burj Khalifa. I had seen it 1,000 times in pictures, but standing at the base of the tallest building in the world was something else. Looking up, it felt like it never ended. The elevator ride to the top was like time travel. 1 minute you're on the ground, and the next, above the clouds, watching the entire city stretch beneath you like a futuristic dream. Next, I wandered into the Dubai Mall, which honestly felt like its own little universe. There were waterfalls indoors, an aquarium bigger than my old apartment, and more shops than I could ever afford to visit. But it wasn't about buying stuff, it was about soaking in the sheer scale of everything. As the sun began to dip, I found myself at the Dubai Marina. Lights flickered on, yachts glided by, and the breeze softened. I grabbed a quick bite, some juicy shawarma from a street vendor, and sat by the water. That was the moment it really hit me. I was in Dubai, a city where old meets new, where desert meets sea, and where dreams don't just stay dreams, they get built, story by story. By the time I got back to my hotel, my feet were sore but my heart was full. My first day in Dubai had ended, but I knew the adventure had only just begun. The end. Follow for more interesting videos.